Overall production and design of PIMC bearing factory. The entire bearing production process is supported by professional-level equipment. PIMC engages in thorough research on the specialization, efficiency, and standardization of bearing manufacturing equipment to meet the production process needs, ensuring the equipment operates reliably and cost-effectively. PIMC utilizes an integrated approach to equipment manufacturing, setting technical standards, guaranteeing a consistent design, enforcing rigorous procurement checks, and enhancing after-sales support to produce top-quality bearing equipment. PIMC offers a comprehensive array of bearing production equipment, ring turning equipment, grinding and honing equipment, washing equipment, precision dimension measuring instruments, assembly equipment, greasing and capping equipment, noise and vibration testing equipment, bearing appearance vision inspection equipment, laser marking equipment, rust prevention equipment, packaging equipment. PIMC has perfected the entire bearing production process. All equipment has been verified for stable production by PIMC, achieving fully automated and intelligent manufacturing, supported by Industrial Internet of Things technology and infused with digital factory capabilities. The entire production line's operations can be monitored around the clock. We invite you to purchase PIMC's bearing equipment. We also offer comprehensive connection services, providing you with pre-sale technical consultations, ongoing communication during sales, and post-sale guidance, ensuring your equipment operates seamlessly and enhances efficiency.